Hey there guys, welcome back again. In this one I'm going to quickly show you guys how to rename a file. So the quickest way to do this, for example, you can see here I have calendar and timetable, the two last files on my menu there. Simply tap those three dots to the right of the file. So I'm going to rename the one that's named the calendar 2020 to 2021. And from the drop down list, I'm going to just choose rename. And from here, I can type whatever I want. So I can say my calendar 2020 to 2021. Okay. When you're finished, simply click OK. And that file is now going to be renamed. And that's it. You're finished. That's how you rename a file on OneDrive. You can do exactly the same thing with folders, right? So I can come in here and I can say, I can rename the one that's called training videos, 06-training videos. I'm going to rename that to school training videos. I'm going to tap on the dots again. I'm going to go to rename and I'm going to put my cursor just before training and I'm going to do school, SCHOOL, school training videos. I'm going to tap OK. That's going to rename my folder. So in this one, I quickly showed you guys how to rename a file and how to rename a folder as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.